So I got the little dog pen set up outside the camper here. Put that up this morning. This is the first time we brought the dogs up. It's a chilly, damp morning. Alright, so I'm going to try this again. It was pretty cold when we came up here last night. In the low 40s, much different than last weekend when it was in the high 80s and high humidity, so it felt like it was like 90 some odd degrees. And it was pretty hot and humid, crappy to work in. Now it's cold and windy, and it rained for about 3 hours early this morning. It was raining when I got up at about 4:45, and rained till almost 8 o'clock this morning, so that kind of sucked for trying to start a fire. Plus it's pretty breezy out here today, and it's only supposed to be in the low 50s. Oliver, no. So got this old dog pen out here that's just outside the camper. It's you know, nothing spectacular. It doesn't look great, but we can bring them out here with us when we're sitting out here and not have to worry about them running off chasing deer or squirrels. The sun's trying to peek through, but there's a lot of clouds, and everything's just wet and damp. Mitzi's inside crocheting, and I came out to finish up the dog pen, and now the dogs are out here with me, but they're looking kind of bored. So that's probably it for now. Oh, the creek's running really good too. There was some heavy rains this past week, a couple times, so it's running good. And we actually got some on the trail cam of a deer crossing the creek, and the water was really high. So that was kind of cool to see. It was the highest that we'd seen it on any of the video, other than some of the pictures that the neighbor sent us. So. Not very impressed, huh? Oliver likes snarfing around though, huh? What you doing, little man? Yabikin. Millpops. A lot of millpops sitting here together is on the cameras. Anyway, haven't really done any work. Read some of Foxfire 4. Mitzi still has been crocheting. Made some lunch. Just kind of chilling today. Got our little space heater going in there, and it's pretty toasty inside. So it's nice fall weather. It's just a little chilly out here. And actually, I guess if I got moving around out here and started working, doing some weed whacking or chainsawing, I'd probably warm up pretty quick. But I'm kind of enjoying the relaxing today. So it's supposed to be a little bit warmer tomorrow. I think about in the low 60s, like 62 or something. Today was only supposed to be in the low 50s. So beautiful weekend though. Can't wait to have a house up here and just be here all the time. Very excited about that. So guess that's it for right now. I got all this going on, all this sexiness, bathrobe, hats, hoodie. It's the new style. It's going to be. Yeah. Everybody will be wearing it by spring. So yeah. Talk at you later.
You all right?
Yeah. That's all I was afraid of, it catching on the thing.
Just start cutting it. It's not gonna catch on fire. How'd that feel? Got a little adrenaline going, baby? I got your super special roll on camera, I think.
That's what I was afraid of, it catching on those branches and bringing it out.
I didn't see what came right before the roll. Like everything happened at one time, so.
Yeah, I saw it start to roll towards me. That's why I took off, but then I tripped over something.
Oh, so the roll wasn't. I thought it was just a move.
No, all those roots and stuff.
Okay, I'm still recording.
Oh, you can turn that off now.
That's fun.